everybody. So today I want to show you how to make this really cool watermelon picture. Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits. I love it, love it. And it's really good right now in the spring. So today we're using oil pastels, and you can see that these are not, they are not perfect. You'll notice that my yellow has other colors on it, and there's like the wrappers falling off the blue. Don't worry at all about that. They work great. So despite their appearance. Oh, that's a blue, not a black. Let me grab a black one. We're supposed to have a black one. Sorry, I'm totally in the way. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take our black oil pastel, find a good edge on it, and we're just really drawing the top of a triangle. So I'm taking the corner edge and drawing a triangle. Really simple, okay? Now, the next step is to close off that triangle but with a rounded edge, all right? And then the next thing we're gonna do is do another one of those, but really lightly. That's gonna be the rind down here. And then over here, I'm drawing another line that comes down like the triangle, but in the background, and it's gonna have a little edge that comes up to it, and then an edge like that. Okay, that's the basic shape of the watermelon. While I still have my black pastel, I'm gonna make this edge a little bit thicker. I'm gonna put a little shadow down here on the bottom, like that. And I'm gonna come back later and do the seeds. So I'm gonna leave it just like this, and I'm gonna switch colors. So I think I'll do the green next. I'm gonna fill this space in down here with green. And I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna do this whole thing while you're watching because it takes a long time to do good coloring. So I want you to work slowly and carefully. Ooh, and this is a good chance to point something out. With oil pastel, it's not all about staying in the lines and being super careful like it might be with colored pencils. It's okay if a little green goes into the red or a little green goes off the bottom. Also, if the black blends into the green, that's actually a really good thing. Let's look at the picture. Where the black blends into the green, it actually looks really cool. So don't worry about that. So you're gonna shade in the whole green space. We'll do that later. And then you're gonna go in and shade in the whole red space really carefully. Take your time and work slowly. Let it really fill the space. Notice I'm gonna go right up to the black edge, and I'm gonna let some of that black get into where I'm coloring. And I'm gonna do the same over here. Color the whole thing in red. And then I'm gonna find an edge of my table. My table's yellow. So I'm drawing in the edge of my table. And I'll color that whole part in yellow. Okay? And then the background obviously is going to be colored in blue. Whole thing. And then the very last step, let me just demonstrate as if I had colored in my whole watermelon, if it was all colored in. My last step is to put in the seeds, and they're gonna go on top of the red. So I'm gonna take my black and draw in a seed and just color it in. And we all know what watermelon seeds are shaped like. And you can put seeds wherever you'd like. Okay, that is the whole project. And you're gonna wind up with a picture that looks a lot like this, and we'll put it on a beautiful background for you. Okay, have some fun.